Just doing a quick little unboxing from Body Art Forms. I just got this in the mail today. I'm stoked. I got a couple of O-rings, a sticker, and some silicone ear skins for cheap because they're discontinued. But yeah, awesome. I love this brand so much. So I'm like stretching my septum again. I had taken a small break for a few years and I'm back on it. So I got this in 11 millimeters or 7/16 of an inch in the color Pink Pearl. These are all Chaos brand. So this is the 7/16, 12.7 millimeters or half inch. And then this one is 9/16, which is 14 millimeters. So we got 11, 12 and a half, and 14. I'm not going to use these to stretch necessarily because that's not a good idea. But I'm about at this size now, and this is just if I want to be extra comfy since it's smaller. But anyways, thought I would do this little unboxing video for y'all. Bye.